Got the hiccups and can't get rid of them? Here's what actually works. Tip 1. Drink a glass of water slowly, or even try sipping it upside down. Weird, but it resets your diaphragm. Tip 2. Hold your breath for 10 to 20 seconds. It increases carbon dioxide, which can stop the hiccups. Tip 3. Swallow a teaspoon of sugar. The grainy texture can trick your nerves and stop the spasm. And that's it. Pick one and see which works for you. Got a hiccup hack I didn't mention? Drop it in the comments.